Hello, everybody.
Good morning. Thank you for your patience. Now calling case number 25T9518. This is the Township of Ypsilanti versus Andrea Kruger. Can I have appearances for the record, please, starting with the ordinance officer?
Ordinance Officer Robert Kelch.
Thank you. And Ms. Kruger, can you turn your can you unmute, please, and state your name?
Andrea Krieger.
Krieger. Okay, thank you. Today is the date and time set for an informal hearing in this matter. What I have here is a citation from September 17th, 2025 that charges that on or about that date, Ms. Krieger, you were renting property, it looks like at 1371 Skyway Drive without a valid rental certificate. So this is a civil infraction. There's no criminal penalty associated with this. But you do owe a fine. I believe it's what, $200, Mr. Coach?
Yes, Your Honor. It's $200 for the issue for the violation itself.
Thank you. So, Ms. Krieger, you have three basic options when it comes to this citation. You can admit responsibility. That is basically admit that you were renting a property without a valid rental certificate and pay the ticket. You can accept responsibility with an explanation so the court can take into consideration any mitigating factors and potentially lessen or eliminate the fine. Or you can deny responsibility, that is, deny that you were renting this property without a valid rental certificate, at which point I will swear in both sides, take testimony, and make a decision based on preponderance of the evidence. So do you understand those three options?
Yes.
Okay, which option would you like to go with?
First of all, when did I receive this citation? When was the citation? I haven't received, I don't know what the citation is about. I am not a landlord and I never received a citation. So was it mailed to me? I'm completely clueless about the actual charge. When was I cited?
September 17th.
Did you send it by mail? I didn't receive one. That's what I'm trying to say. I didn't even receive one. So, okay. But furthermore, and I don't understand how it could be because I'm not a landlord, period. I've not rented to anyone. I live on my own. I've never rented to anyone. Never been a landlord. I'm a single owner. Okay. So when did someone tell me this? Okay. There's no okay. I'm confused. And I don't understand why I'm being criminalized for something.
Let me talk or I will mute you. Thank you.
You can mute me as much as you want. I don't care.
Since it sounds like you're denying responsibility for renting without a valid rental certificate, we're going to continue with the process, which is where I have you raise your right hand and I swear you in so that I can take testimony.
You know what? Just charge me and take me to jail. I'm done. I am being bullied. I'm being harassed. I'm missing work. I have struggled to find work and I finally get, you know what? I have no money. I am poor. I am insufficient. You know what? Take me to jail. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Take me to jail. Just go ahead. Take the house. Take me to jail. I don't care. Just have it done. Have it done with. Have it done with. Just go ahead and bully me. Go ahead and have it done with. Take me to jail. Convict me. Do it. Fine me. There is no money. I'm not a landlord. I have no food. I have no food. See my refrigerator? There is no food.
Okay. I can't actually because your video's not on. If you can please take a deep breath and listen to what I am saying to you. I still need to swear you in so that we can talk about this, since it sounds like if you're not renting to anybody, you have a very good argument that this shouldn't apply to you, but we have to follow the process. So we can try to start your video again. It wasn't working earlier. I can unmute you again, but I need you to take a breath and actually listen to what I am saying to you so that I can also listen to what you are trying to say to me. Okay. I sent you a prompt to unmute. Okay. If she's not going to unmute, what I am going to do, Officer Couch.
Here we go. Is that better? I didn't know I had a technical puzzle.
Okay. So, Ms. Krieger, obviously you were very upset. I just need you to listen to what I'm saying. Okay. So, are you able to raise your right hand for me and tell me when it's raised since I can't actually see you?
Why can't you see me?
I'm not sure what your camera's pointed at. Okay.
It's
That is-
it's
that-
right here.
Okay.
Is that? Can you see me now?
I cannot. That's not
Can
my
you see me
biggest
now?
concern at the moment.
Can you
Okay.
see me now?
I cannot. Okay. Just raise your right hand and tell me when it's raised, please.
It's raised.
Thank you. Officer Kelch, raise your hand as well. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, to the best of your information, knowledge, and belief, Ms. Krieger
Yes.
and Officer Kelch?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so generally there's a little bit more of a procedure to this where I have people take turns, but given your state and how upset you are, Ms. Krieger, what I am going to do is just ask some questions. So first, you stated that you live alone and you are not renting to anyone. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. So Officer Kelch, I'm going to ask where you got the information that she's renting.
Your Honor, this is actually a case that goes back to 2019, of August 18th. At that time, she was renting the property to a tenant. There was a inspection scheduled at the home. Two of them were lockouts, and the inspection officer did speak to the tenant, who stated that the property owner was sick and was not going to be able to make the inspection.
Okay. So let me get this. Okay. So the citation here is dated September 17th. You're saying the actual offense for this occurred back in 2019?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Why did it take 6 years to cite for this?
COVID was part of the reason, Your Honor. Also, too, is that there has been attempts to make contact with Ms. Kruger. There was letters and emails to the last known email she had, and there was no response from those emails.
Okay. All right.
If I can add this, Your Honor, I would leave it up to the court's discretion what you want to do with this. It is an old ticket. And once again, I'll leave it to the court's discretion how you want to proceed with this.
Thank you. Well, and part of the court's concern here is that the citation itself is not old. The citation is dated September 17th of this year, and there's no indication on the citation that the offense actually occurred in 2019. So given the circumstances of this and the fact that Ms. Krieger has testified that she's not currently renting the property, the court is going to find Ms. Krieger not responsible at this time. So this matter will be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. So just you know, for if it ever comes up again, if you are renting your property, you need a valid
I'm not.
certificate. But Yes, and for now, this matter is being dismissed. All right?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You're welcome. You are free to sign out of Zoom.
Thank you.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.